Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Una lady up here posted on TikTok at Tina Papa because there's no such thing as a Valentine. What a Valentine is going to be there, she doesn't know, and she knows that it's not going to happen. Ay, bandla. Oh, I like una lady needs to chill, hey. Like Rona, we have men and we like to celebrate such things. I mean, it's not a big deal because we are Africans. But I mean, such things are nice. Like I don't take such things like that deep. Like it's really not that deep, honey. Going out with your man and booking elsewhere for Valentine. I man, it shouldn't rob like you the wrong way. I know that people that don't believe in it, but in this case, una lady was just kidding. She was just kidding. She was not being serious, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's what I gotta say. Like, girl, like, Rona, we have men. You tonight, you hey tonight, so we celebrate Valentine. Imagine a lady. So, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.
Nanokuthi nje i-Valentine ikhona mhla 14 ayikho nje eminenze namhlanje niyaphapha nje nesikepe nje bafethu amakhamera nesikepe nesidingo nje ayikho nje leminenze namhlanje niyathanda nje ayikho nje ayikho awungasiboni so